Perched high above Athens stands a building that changed architecture forever. For 2,500 years, the Parthenon has survived wars, explosions, and theft, yet still stands as humanity's greatest testament to perfection. What makes this ancient temple so special that even modern architects can't fully replicate its genius? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of the building that wrote the rules of beauty itself. Welcome to the crown of Athens, the Parthenon. As the morning sun bathes these ancient columns in golden light, we're about to discover why this temple isn't just a masterpiece of architecture, but a symbol of human achievement that has inspired civilizations for millennia. The year is 447 BCE. Athens is at its golden age under Pericles. The city-state decides to build something unprecedented, a temple that would showcase Athenian power, wealth, and artistic genius. Led by architects Ictinus and Callicrates, and overseen by the sculptor Phidias, an army of artisans would spend 15 years creating perfection in marble. The Parthenon's genius lies in its subtle curves and optical refinements. There isn't a single straight line in the entire building. Every surface is slightly curved to create an illusion of absolute perfection. The columns bulge slightly in their middle, the platform curves upward at its center, and even the spacing between columns follows mathematical ratios found in nature. Originally, the Parthenon was a riot of color and sculpture. The pediments told stories of Athena's birth and her contest with Poseidon, the famous Parthenon frieze, much of which is now in the British Museum, wrapped around the entire building, showing the Panathenaic procession. Today's Parthenon is undergoing the world's most sophisticated restoration project. Using titanium rods and ancient marble, conservators are ensuring this architectural wonder survives for future generations. Let's discuss everything you need to know for your visit. The best times to visit are early morning or late afternoon, not just to avoid crowds, but to see the marble glow in the gentle light. As we watch the sun set behind the Parthenon's columns, we're sharing a view that has inspired humans for 2.5 millennia. This isn't just a building. It's humanity's endless pursuit of perfection, frozen in marble. If these columns could speak, they would tell us that true beauty never ages, and some achievements truly do last forever. From its mathematical precision to its artistic brilliance, the Parthenon remains humanity's greatest architectural achievement. If you've enjoyed unraveling the mysteries of this ancient wonder, don't forget to subscribe and join our journey through history's most remarkable places. Share in the comments what amazed you most about the Parthenon. Was it the optical illusions, the engineering genius, or its incredible survival through the ages? Until our next adventure, remember that great civilizations build for eternity.